How to get McDonald's working promo code. Hey everybody, welcome back to official help desk. In today's video, I'm gonna show you where you can get them. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web browser. In my case, I'm using Chrome application. At the top search bar, type in McDonald's promo code. And here you will see a lot of websites. Just tap onto any one of them. And here you will see all the various coupon codes. To view it, tap on Show Coupon. Now simply copy the code. And just like so, open the application of McDonald's, or you can just get logged in through Chrome, sign into your account, and while placing an order, just paste the copied code and then you will be good to go. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more helpful contents like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button to never miss an update from us.